Hello everyone, welcome. So what I was thinking today that I'll be doing all my videos mostly in English, and the reason behind why only English, because personally I feel that I have to make a lot more improvement in my English, because if anyone of you feel that my English is very good, then let me tell you there are a lot much better English speakers here in India, and I get so jealous by them because I can't speak as fluent as them. I get stuck in between sometimes, but that should not bother. But and also why English? Because see, every age that has been going on, every time there were few languages that overruled the all other language, or there were not so many languages also earlier. Slowly and slowly, I feel that languages started to be spoken by, and we also started to explore new territories where people lived, and so we also came to know that which type of language is being spoken over there. And in today's age, I feel English is the most overpowered, overruled language, because now the age has come where everyone is connecting to each other. Like it is not bothering anyone that if someone is staying in Argentina and he wants to get in touch with a person from Russia, and in most of the cases the common language for the exchange of communication is English, because it is growing everywhere, and it's a good language. I like to speak English. So yes, so I actually learned English after coming to Mumbai. I started to learn English like I was given admission in a English medium school, so obviously English there was a primary language, but mostly I never used to speak so much very often with anyone unless I got in the circle of my academics after school, then office, then the type of jobs I did where I had to write a lot of English. You had to write emails to my clients who were Japanese, so no Japanese, no Hindi, then only English. So I'll discuss with you guys today about my experience, because see, what this is happening is because of social media. YouTube has become a medium where I am getting socially involved with everyone because of some medium. And I remember the beginning of this era when I was in school. The website called Orkut, RIP Orkut, which is now RIP Orkut. So Orkut had started when I was in class 10th, and that time I was not aware about it. And when I reached class 11th, suddenly I saw a hype among all my friends that, "Are you on Orkut?" I said, "What Orkut? Who is Orkut?" It's like, Orkut is a website where you go and you make a profile of yours, and then and you can get connected with me and other friends. Like, I'm already connected with you. Why do I need to go on a website? So it's like, no, it's fun. It's like you get a lot of options. You'll come to know when you make a profile. So I said, I'm not sure how to do that, so you'll have to teach me. So he's like, yeah, sure. So he sat with me, and then he made my profile, and I was so pissed off, filling so many details. Like, I had never done that. The only time I used to do that while making an email ID, and I guess that time I didn't have a proper email ID, so I was not so much tech savvy with all these things. So he helped me make the complete profile, and from somewhere I brought one. Initially when Orkut started, no one kept their profile picture. Everyone kept the "Good morning, sea angel, I miss you, I love you," that kind of picture everyone used to keep. So I also started with that, and then later when I got a good picture of it, I put that. And then I suddenly saw, wow, Orkut is a nice scrapbook and write testimonials, and you write on the wall of their page, and then there were so many designs where, star and asterisk used to make, I love you, we miss you, he is the best friend. And that was like, people used to waste so much time doing that, I still remember. And then when slowly somebody like told me that there is something new which has come and that is more cool than Orkut. I was like, what? And he said that Facebook.com. I was like, Facebook.com? And I remember first time I logged into Facebook, it was just a blue plain wall. I was like, fuck, this is so like turn off. Orkut is so colorful. You can, like customize your complete profile with so many, kind of personality you have, that you had the freedom. You had a lot of options in customizing your that, or Facebook was comparatively like. And then slowly I saw that Orkut was dying, and everyone was shifting to Facebook. And then I thought that just like Orkut died, even Facebook will eventually die. And you never know in the coming years. But Facebook is like the reason it is getting successful, because I feel it has not stopped exploring. Like Apple, like Google, they don't stop exploring. You stop exploring, you die. That's what happened with, I guess, Kodak. Yeah. They didn't explore themselves. Anyway, this is not the topic of discussion. We are getting into more business and commercial discussion. So we were talking about my first just to Facebook, and then one day I saw, like after 2 years of that, maybe my friend told me that there is a website where if you have to search any video, but not porn. I should not use that word. Any video which is not an explicit content or which is like safe to watch, that can be watched on YouTube, and it has the directory of only videos. And then that time I was not aware that you make your profile and then you upload. I thought there was some company who was uploading it, but then later I realized that no, it is individual accounts, and you can upload on the videos on the and it will be kept on the server for public viewing. And then eventually, slowly, I started using it more, then thought of making a channel. Like my brother asked me that my brother used to work with we work with his friend, and for a massage channel, that is Life is Easy. And then after that he made his own channel also called Pure Massage, which I also joined him. Like we work together, and we come up with new things, what to do, what not. I guess people from Pure Massage would be aware about that. It is a small group of people we have, like small group of subscribers. We don't have many subscribers, but they're all so sweet. So like, because initially I thought if it's massage, then you might expect vulgar comments and all, but eventually there was not a single kind of that. So everyone is coming for pure entertainment related to massage. And so although we have a small group of like 10,000-11,000 subscribers, but it's nice. Like so many people I can remember by their name, like, oh, he's commenting again. So social media has eventually helped me to get connected with so many people. And the reason behind me doing all these things is just to know as many people as possible, because it helps you to grow personally, right? There's one of my cousin who told me that भैया सुनो सबका लेकिन करो खुद का. That means listen to everyone but do whatever you want to. So I said, if you want to do whatever you want to, then why should we even listen to others? He said, no, because if you listen to others, you never know, someone has a better plan for your solution. Yeah, nice. So get to know as many people as possible. I like that. You'll get to learn so many things about them. Just imagine there are more than 6 billion people living on this planet. You have just lived your life. or you just know life of your either friends or your families, your relatives, anyone. Just experience. There's so many different lives. There are so many things to learn. Even if you just be successful in meeting 1/100th of the, or like one, like even if you meet 500 people in your life and learn so many things from them, you need not have any education, I guarantee. See, because it is not possible to have the entire knowledge of this world. But if you know people who have those knowledge, then it is comparatively easy. So that is my funda of life. And that's it for today. As always, I am getting late for office. So I'll have to shut, okay? So bye bye. Have a good day. Thanks for listening.